watch the video.
Yes, great. What is it about?
It's about pets in the UK.
Okay, let's watch.
I'm Harry. I'm from the UK. I've got 6 pets. I've got a lizard. It's got a head, 4 legs, and a tail. This is my rabbit, Robbie. I've got 4 rabbits. Look at my rabbit's nose. It's got a white and brown tail. I've got a hamster too. It's got small ears and it's got pink feet. This is a tortoise. I haven't got a tortoise, but I want one. I love animals.
What about you, Jack? What pet do you want?
I want a hamster.
I don't. I want a rabbit.
What pet do you want?